Tehseen has displayed the same logic today, unfortunately, as Rahul Gandhi. But be that as it may, good evening to you and the fellow panelists. So, according to Tehseen, you can intimidate anyone as much as you want. You can file 100 FIRs, but that doesn't constitute stomping on freedom of speech and expression because you haven't physically arrested. ये क्या चल रहा है यहाँ पे तहसीन? I didn't expect this from you. But by the way, Navika, this is also true. If Narendra Modi took a rupee every time he was abused, slandered, vilified, and maligned by the Congress, honestly, he'd be a billionaire by now. He has been called नीच, नाली का कीड़ा, हिटलर, मास मर्डरर, खून की खेती करने वाला, यमराज, पागल कुत्ता, बंदर, भस्मासुर. His mother and father have been dragged in and insulted. Remember Congress Imran Masood, who threatened to chop Modi in pieces, boti. He is back in Congress. Remember Congress leader Nilai Kannan lamenting why Modi and Shah have not yet been killed. Navika, I'll tell you this. It is ironical that the Congress keeps shouting we are living in an emergency. This present Congress government in Karnataka is the one that has declared emergency. You don't trust me? Just hear me out for 1 minute. Remember BJP worker Shakuntala was arrested for a social media post criticizing Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Remember teacher Shantala Murthy was suspended for his Facebook post criticizing the Congress freebie schemes. Remember the notice to lecturer Huli Kanti for his social media post. Remember the FIR against DD News anchors Prakhar and Ashok Srivastava that was recently stayed by none other than the Karnataka High Court. Remember the Karnataka police travelling 1,000 miles to arrest YouTuber Ajit Bharti for his harmless comment on Rahul Gandhi. Remember the arrest of Vineet Nayak from Goa by Karnataka police for his criticism of the Congress manifesto. Remember the banning of the film Hamare Bara because it offended the Muslim community. Remember the Karnataka Congress Minister Shivraj saying he will not allow any of Kamal Hassan's movies to be released in Karnataka unless he apologizes. Remember the proposed draconian and outrageous misinformation bill that has deliberately vague clauses that can be used to arrest anyone who says anything considered inconvenient. And this is just Karnataka. I haven't even come to the Congress ruled Telangana where the sitting chief minister threatens to strip journalists in the streets. And these are the people who are saying Modi has declared emergency. अरे कुछ तो शर्म कर लो, कुछ तो शर्म कर लो.